look around for our activities and book them. We're here at Captain Thomas. Happy hour, 3 o'clock. Huh? Any day, because all the events are in the night time. The Mabanui's at night. What's that, guys? So it's day 2.
The water we drinking, we drink from the tent.
Oh, is it?
Comes from here too.
And we've gone ahead this morning and booked Coca Lagoon tours. That's on Wednesday. We booked the mud buggies for Monday. We've booked Captain Tama cruises on Friday. And the Baranui is happening this Friday. So everything else is next week. And we have the cultural night and dinner this Friday. And right now, Twin's taking us to the... Oh, this is the dog thing I seen on everyone's vlogs.
Why? What is it?
It's like,
A shelter?
yeah, a shelter for
dogs.
dogs.
Hi. Oh, one has one eye.
Yeah.
Oh, this one
Hi.
And why is it all the same breed?
Right.
Oh, they locked it too.
At a certain time they lock it. And yeah, he's taking us up to the waterfall.
Who are you talking to?
My phone.
Oh.
My phone, darling. And this guy is going hunting.
In our bus.
In our bus.
In our...
Okay. Oh, I left my spray at home. Just made it to the waterfall. Okay. Aww. Warming up.
Like, you have to try and figure out this place are trying to climb up. Slippery though.
Drop in the middle.
Yeah, anyway. Like when it's like when it rains, it's whole place, the whole water board,
Covered.
probably like the door. There's a little like a box on top there.
Yeah.
You know, just the water we drink. This one. Like a one over there.
Yeah, people swim here.
Yeah, this is just a little box over there. People are there. That's the part that goes all the way to the top.
Yeah.
Just to climb on the top.
Never mind, eh, Vicky? This is so beautiful. Oh.
But they're waiting for the people to come.
Mm-hmm.
Where?
The airport.
Oh, yeah. Recording.
Day 2 and we're already back here.
Should we get a photo? Well, day 1 for me.
Day 1 for Vicky. She hasn't tried it yet, but the line was longer earlier, so we literally went to the shops, picked our tattoo, and then came back. Aww. You guys want to take a photo with Artie, and I'm like, I feel so bad because like, dude is on holidays. Gama is on holidays, and you know, everyone's like going up to him wanting a photo. And this one wants a photo with him. Because Bussy loves Artie. I like he feels so, dude, like see everybody's going, like everybody's going to take photos with him. I feel so bad. It's literally a full house today. Stay all day, and this is their selections: hamburger, egg burger, cheeseburger, Hawaiian burger, veggie burger. $3.50, bro. That's such a bargain. But of course, we got the wet cheese. And this one's gonna try the wet cheese. What drink are you getting? Milkshake? Bit shake. The Pacific Palace, they have the kebab plates just in the corner there. Boy,
I
yum.
always have to watch out with you.
I know. You always have to be ready. My darling's the one that got it, and now we're like, we want one. Because we're still waiting for our wet cheese. But it's so nice. It's gloomy today, but no rain. Yet. But it's so nice. You, when you arrived this morning. Oh my god. That's so good.
Oh wow, it's wet.
It's, yeah. Huh? This is delicious. My honey.
You get two.
We all got two.
I only got one, yeah. These two aren't even big eaters.
I'm not a big eater.
I know.
I'm gonna give up on those $3.50.
It's $3.50, that's why they got two.
You gotta love the deal.
Our first stop. Cocktail. Ta-da-da! This is so cute. Yeah, we just got here. Drink. Where's Nikki? Oh. That is for tourists. The girls are on the jacks now, and I'm on the long whites. Oh, me too. My honey. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. lady.
Your cousin. Hey, did you give my coffee?
Me too. So this lady was like telling everyone to get out, and she seen twins. She's like, oh god, security, take his ass out. She's like, oh you poor child. Where is he? Show me. Don't jealous. Ay, Puga, don't jealous. Ready?
Tell her when he comes back, drink up miles. What's up?
Don't jealous, eh? Look at him. You're so grown. We're finished from the clubs, and now everybody's going home to get their hot bottles. Oh my goodness. Duty free. Bro, $20 is for that straight bottle.
Gosh, you guys should.
$20.
You the tamane
We
no
told
go
you.
duty free. No go to tamane.
$20.
Yeah, it was cheap, man. And then 5 packet of smokes, $40. They're very strong.
Erica, you know the way.
I am 50-50. Yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. I am 50-50, okay? 685, 682.
That's so cute. Good morning. One thing I'm gonna say is, being here in Rarotonga, everything is closed at 2 p.m. Did any tourists say that? I don't know. I never picked up on it on any of the vlogs or anything, but here in Rarotonga, majority, literally, I'd say 95%
like,
maybe.
When Emma's like, oh, and it
Everything.
closed at 2. It does everything close at 2. And she's like, almost.
Almost everything, like literally. So we're trying to get a feed. And then Missy goes, you just need to wake up early. We've been driving around trying to find a place to eat, and it's currently 2:30. The only place we know that's open is Palace. So Palace round 3, we go. Hey girls.
This is sick and tired. Doesn't matter.
But yeah, unreal.
That's alright, at least we met tomorrow.
40 far out.
Twins got the Palace burger, bro. That was $21.
$21. I don't know.
Yeah, 21 for the Palace.
50.
Open it up.
No, it's my fault.
That's great. Let him.
Open it up.
Open it up.
Put that big one.
Dude, that's huge.
He's gonna put some else in here.
Just grab.
Oh,
Damn.
Just grab like a bit. Squash it down.
I don't know how to
Never mind.
eat that, eh?
You can't squash that down, bro.
And fork and knife.
That's a Palace.
Thank you, Father.
Palace
for
burger.
Amen.
Amen.
Sorry, guys, I'm not waiting.
I'm not waiting.
Big.
Go. You gotta half it.
Like, not even half, like, quarter.
Oh, that bacon looks good.
Fork and knife.
Oh, yum.
Hey, no, we're waiting for our food.
Don't wait for us, just eat.
Yeah, don't wait for us. Ah, twin. Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's huge.
Your bacon looks nice. No.
Emma just got the egg one, eh?
No, she got something up.
That's
Is that the Palace burger?
Bro, that's the Palace. That's our first time
big.
seeing it. It's like this big.
Oh, that's nice. I
What?
love that one.
Oh, that looks good. What's that?
And it's $7.
But the fish.
The fish burger. Put your fingers in my feet.
Oh, yum. Very yum.
Unforgivable.
Don't worry.
Unreal. Unreal.
That's so cute. That is solid. Yummy, Emma? Fish burger. Oh, that looks so good.
That looks so good.
Why do they all look juicy? Look at them! Maria. You can't even eat that as a normal burger, eh, babe? That's... Over here, babe, go get it.
For you. Where's
Over
my
here.
Where's
Sorry,
my
coming.
I was first.
Oh, yeah, she was before me. What did you order?
Just a Hawaii.
Dude, that palace burger is insane.
That looks good. Oh, that's actually not. What is that? Oh, okay.
I already tried it.
Did you?
With my finger.
No, because you were giving me the finger slide. That's okay. E.T.
Yeah. De Maria, Emma.
She didn't even eat it at first.
She just opened it.
I didn't even freaking touch it. Erica. Oh, that's cool.
No, Missy's got it. Yum. Dude, I'm starving actually.
No, I'll get.
I just got me the wet cheese, got Missy the steak.
Gone.
How are you
already.
going? Half half? Oh, yum. That looks good too, that fish. I got you the 2 Cokes, babe. Did they swap your...
No, I asked for smart. I didn't know you got another bottle.
No, I got
That's
you
all right.
2 Cokes, yeah. It's me and my honeys.
Yeah.
I got us a Dagwood dog too, hon. Missy's already... Missy. Twins already are like smashing hers. There's our dogs. Oh, mate, that was hearty. Do you know which is which?
No. This is your one, yeah.
Yeah, that's steak. Just another day, 3rd day with the wet cheese.
I can't believe you went onto the wet beach.
Yeah, man, I love it. And he got the steak. What did Vicky get? The Hawaiian? That one was really nice, sis.
Wait, did you eat my one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The can. Yum. Oh, what the fuck? Those guys must have been practicing that drove past.
All the potatoes just suck up all that alcohol.
Has arrived to Rarotonga, has touched down. Kela. Hi, Sissy. Oh my gosh, hello.
How was your flight?
Hi, Papa.
Hello, yeah, Erica.
Yes, Erica, Emma's here.
Oh, yeah, I see you, man. Erica, just by yourself?
Yeah.
Where's your man? Good to see you. Good to see you.
We found it there, but
Oh, that's Enwa Manu. Woo! Yeah, we seen him last night. Dude, we seen him last night. I looked at him and Erica was like,
Emma's like,
who's this?
I was like, this guy. And they were still like
We were looking at him like, who is this?
Grabbed his face. I was like, what? Is it like that?
Yeah.
Hula bar?
Oh no, rehab.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we seen them as we pulled up. This guy went to go fill up at the petrol station and we seen him at the
Oh, did you see the petrol prices?
$2.90.
Bro.
Oh,
Ah, Papa.
we got diesel, so we only paid 45.
Oh, that's not bad.
Oh, we got for full tank. Wait, what?
No, we're diesel as well. We're diesel as well.
$45 for full tank.
Good morning. Papa.
Oh, me kolo ka daw lagi tengah pat siya ma. Koi kila Jeffes, wala na cross lang so.
What's up? Oh, shut up.
Hi.
Yeah, Copa. I can't. Yeah, Tim was saying so many people escaped.
It's a while.
Yeah, because this one.
Oh, that's crazy.
And then the fence is there.
Oh
Who
yeah.
is this trying to hold it?
I don't know if we're
Prison
allowed to go
property,
in.
keep it
I
out.
don't know if we're allowed to go in.
That's the prison.
Government of the
Oh my gosh, Twins is taking us in.
Don't, man. We don't have to.
No, just
Authorized person only.
no, only there
It's
before
up
they
enough.
used to like get some.
Have
money.
people here.
When you go inside, you need to off your phone, everything.
Oh yeah.
Do you
know anyone in prison?
Huh?
Go to pay a visit.
There's heaps. There's like probably 4 wallets in here too.
So
Oh, really?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
Huh?
Visiting hours is finished anyway.
Yeah. Oh, they're 12:38.
2:30.
that's crazy.
Have you guys ever heard of that one, the one where they break out of prison?
Yeah.
Wait, which one? There was one that went to the tourist
rape-
Airbnb. Yeah, that's one we were talking about yesterday.
You see that interview of
The couple.
They were scared.
Oh,
Eh?
that's crazy.
No,
Yeah.
but the interview was fun, yes. The interview lady was like, "Sir, how are you guys gonna stop this? He escaped 3 times." And
What did they
then
say?
the Queen was like, "Yeah, he escaped 3 times, but we caught him 3 times."
That's
I'm
unreal.
trying to tell you, how you
Oh, they're
stop
turning in. They're
Yeah.
turning in here.
Oh, that's some Tippet. Hi, Tippet. Oh, hi. It's Nico.
They go around where?
Wow, look at me. Rarotonga niya mamato namin. Say, been trying to call you all day yesterday. Tome. Muri night markets. Coming, babe. We're still deciding which, there's so many turtle tours. Still deciding which one we want to do. Hell no. You gonna that barbecue one, babe? In the corner. Still going. The barbecue one in the corner? Yeah. Yummy. This is, what's this one called? Huh? Yum. Are we gonna try the island fries?
I'm gonna get it.
Yeah. Where's Emma? Where's Chebro? Cheerbros. Yama. Yeah, Missy's still waiting for our food. Surf and turf without the cones. Yummy. Yummy. I'm just waiting for my food. Just waiting for our dessert now. Hey. Is it tough? Oh no, that's not good. I should have got the chicken.